Hello students, good morning to all and welcome to online class organized by Radhika Online Coaching Centers. Today I am just discuss about the topic is sequence and series. Students, the term a term which is separated by comma is known as sequence, and the term which is separated by plus or minus is known as series. It is the short definition of sequence and series. The term is separated by comma is known as sequence, and the term is separated by plus or minus is known as series. Okay. So how can you find the general terms? General terms of AM. It means arithmetic series. Arithmetic sequence. How can you find the general term of arithmetic sequence? First of all, suppose just I am given one example of a sequence, just 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. It is the one example of sequence. Students, you know that 3 is in first, so it is called first term. It means T1. Otherwise, first term is also indicated by A. And similarly, second term indicated by T2, and third term is indicated by T3, and fourth term indicated by T4, and similarly T5. It is indicated by T. Why? Because the spelling of term is starting from T, so term is indicated by T. And first number, there is first number, so it is T1. Second number, so it is T2, T3. Similarly, there are shown. Okay. So the difference between two terms. Is called different. It means common difference. CD. Common difference. So what is the common difference of given sequence? How can you find? The T2 minus T1, otherwise T3 minus T2, otherwise T4 minus T3. By help of any given formula, you can find the common difference. So the answer is 2. What is the value of T2? T2 is 5 minus 3. And what is the value of T3? 7 minus 5. And T4 is 9 minus 7. So you write any one. So the same common difference. So we have the given sequence having same common difference, so it is called arithmetic sequence. If any sequence having common difference are same is known as arithmetic sequence. Okay. So how can you find the general term of arithmetic sequence? See here. So in the given term, the value of A is 3 and value of D is 2. It means T2 minus T1 equals to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So students, T1, it means A. So how can you find T2? T2 is 5, no? So how 5 is possible? The value of A is 3. So A and plus D. It means in the first term you add common difference, then you get second term. In the first term you add common difference, then you get second term. Similarly, in second term you add common difference, then you get third term. And in the third term you add common difference, then you get fourth term. This is process as shown. So if T3 equals to A plus 2D, similarly T4 equals to A plus 3D. It means always suppose here is T4, so here is 3D. One is minus because there is T3 here, here T3, so here is T2. Here is T2, here is no anyone, it means 1. So similarly, suppose what is the general term? It means T. Nth term is A plus, here is N, so you write N minus 1 into D. It means less than 1 compared to Tn. Okay. So it is the one of the formula of general term. How can you find the how can you find the Tn of any term, any sequence? The help of this formula. So what is the formula, general term formula of arithmetic sequence is A plus N minus 1 into D. It is the one formula of arithmetic sequence. So how can you find now? Just I am taking one examples. Example number second. 5, 7, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Blah, blah, blah. So students, how can you find the Tn of any sequence, of given sequence? A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is the value of A? And what is the value of D? 5. So A is 5 plus, what is the value of N? No given. So N minus 1 and D is 5. You know, 5 plus 5N minus 5, 5 cancel. So the Tn is 5N. The given sequence is nth term, otherwise general term is 5N. Okay. So you can find any term. How can you find T20? It means 5 multiply 20. It means 100. How can you find T25? The 5 into 25 into is 125. The help of Tn, you can find any terms of the sequence. Okay. So it is the help of, you can find any term, you can find Tn by help of A plus D, A and D by the using formula. But one of the also short tricks for find Tn. You write Tn. It is a one shortcut trick of how can you find Tn. It means general term of any sequence. So first of all, you write Tn and write here D. What is the common difference? 5. And put N automatically. Okay. And what is the first term? 5. So it is same. So it is Tn. Again, third example. 7, 10, 13, 16. It is the one of the sequence. How can you find out Tn of this sequence? What is the common difference? 3. So write here 3 and put N automatically. Okay. And how can you get 3 then you get 4 or 7? It means 8 4. No. So 3n plus 4 is the Tn of given sequence. Again, taken one also example, 4, 5, 9, 13, 17. So how can you find the Tn of given sequence? The 5. So what is the common difference? 4. Put N automatically. How can you find? How can you get 5 from 4? The plus 1. Tn. So the Tn of the given sequence is 4n plus 1. Okay, students. It is the just shortcuts, tricks and general. How can you find the general term of any sequence? Thank you. Thank you. Be safe and subscribe and like our channel.